Dahan Construction Machinery Group is committed to the professional manufacturing of tower cranes and construction hoists. Dahan is proud to announce we have been granted the opportunity to participate in the reform of the national standard in the tower crane industry of China. Dahan is the #1 brand in the construction machinery manufacturing industry. Our firm has manufactured and sold approximately 50,000 sets of tower cranes and construction lifts. On most construction sites in China, you will find a tower crane manufactured by Dahan. Our cranes have gained such high acclaim in China that foreign demand for our products has exploded. Dahan products have been exported to over 50 countries and regions. We are Dahan Construction Machinery. Dahan Construction Machinery Group is headquartered within the Jinan High-Tech Development Zone of China, well known for its beautiful environment and convenient transportation. Our company proudly employs 2,300 skilled, talented, and dedicated workers. As unrivaled pioneers in their respective fields, these men are well experienced and enjoy a great passion for their work. Many employees have more than 2 decades of industrial experience to their credit. Our group now holds 28 national patents, and we have participated in the revision of the Chinese National Tower Crane Standard, GB 13752. Our product portfolio comprises 4 main series and over 60 types of products, such as top kit tower cranes, flat top tower cranes, luffing jib tower cranes, and construction hoists. All products come with ISO, CE, GOSTR, and other certificates. Transforming from a product supplier to a value-added service provider, we are dedicated to creating the top Chinese brand of tower cranes and becoming a globally competitive and specialized tower crane manufacturer. We are confident we can be your best choice. Our main headquarters cover an area of over 3,000 square meters. Our production base is located in the Jinan Mingshui Economic Development Zone, Guangdong, Foshan, Hunan, and Yiyang. Our factory includes a total area of over 300,000 square meters. Currently, our group includes 8 production bases, 7 operating centers, 8 sales companies, 1 financial leasing company, and 1 import-export company. Dahan has a rich experience in manufacturing and serving. Our annual output reaches over 10,000 sets. Some of the materials and electrical systems products we utilize are supplied by 4 main institutions and many other great companies. Some of these well-known enterprises are Bao Steel, Anshan Steel, Laiwu Steel, Wuhan Iron and Steel, Schneider, and others. All raw materials have gone through multiple tests, including appearance testing and tensile testing, etc. The superior quality of the products we provide are first and always guaranteed. Our firm is the first to introduce welding robots within the tower crane industry of China, and now we are operating over 100 sets. We own the most advanced shot blasting and paint spraying line in the world, and we have introduced a total of 12 lines. Additionally, we hold over 1,000 sets of processing equipment, such as the CNC plasma cutters, CNC drilling machines, lathes, milling machines, sewing machines, and others. Among them, there are 60 sets of standard section and limb welding robots from Panasonic Japan, 20 sets of standard section and limb welding robots from ABB Sweden, 20 sets of turntable welding robots from Panasonic Japan, and the Flake standard section welding robot for fish plate welding. Both the CNC plasma panel cutting machine and CNC profile sawing machine provide high cutting performance which are precise to less than 1 millimeter. The precision of the baiting size of raw materials and the interchangeability of materials are guaranteed from the very beginning. Adopting 80% argon and 20% carbon dioxide as welding gas and the weld penetration 30% deeper than carbon dioxide make the welding quality more stable than ever. Before leaving the factory, each main welding part of the machine must experience the flaw detection, paint film thickness detection, salt spray corrosion resistance test, electronic system test, complete machine debugging, and other process, so that the product delivered into our client's possession is safe and reliable. Both the cord and pull rod of the jib from Dahan Construction Machinery are made from Q345B manganese steel. The diagonal web member is a high-toughness, seamless steel pipe, adopting twice tempering process and stamping process to eliminate cracks can greatly improve the safety and reliability of jib bearing. The inverter, contactor, circuit breaker, and other main electrical components are derived from Schneider Electric for increased reliability and durability. The steel wire rope is designed with an anti-skipping device. The trolley is designed with an anti-slip device, an anti-drop device, and an anti-shedding and tipping device. A combined length of 60 meters, 55 meters, 50 meters, 45 meters, 40 meters, and others can be achieved by changing the number of counterweight and adjusting the jib, which can meet your requirements on different construction sites. The steel structure with long lifespan and high safety. Compared with a high-top tower crane, the flat-top tower crane has an obviously different connection type and force condition. Its upper structure is rigid and placed horizontally. Without the pull rod of the jib, this tower crane is not affected by the alternating stress vertically or horizontally, which significantly enhances the lifespan and safety of the steel jib structure. The flat-top tower crane is designed without any pull rod so as to reduce the height of the tower top and meet the requirements on different work sites. It is especially suitable for disassembling and assembling on restricted construction sites or during the multi-tower cross operation, which immensely boosts the tower crane working efficiency. This machine has low unit weight and low mounting height. The height difference between tower bodies can be reduced to save a great deal of space and cost. With small tail turning radius, this kind of tower crane can effectively prevent the jib from bumping against the surrounding buildings in reconstruction projects. It can be used in restricted work sites and exert its unique advantage in the tower building construction. With ultra-large load moment and wide operating range, this tower crane can meet the standards of steel structure and high-rise building construction. It can bring its advantage into full play during the tower building construction. The self-lifting, luffing jib tower crane is designed with new type slewing platform. This design can effectively improve force condition and horizontal stiffness. The main structural parts of the hoist from Dahan Construction Machinery are made from Q345B materials. The standard section adopts the fully automated stamping line, cutting technology, and automatic robot welding technology. The structural part adopts mixed gas shielded welding technology for nice weld joints, reliable quality, and increased equipment lifespan. All components have experienced shot blasting treatment and automatic spraying process. The hot dip galvanizing process can be chosen for the increased corrosion resistance of the standard section. The main electrical components come from the Schneider brand. The standard section comes in 3 specifications, including 650 by 650 by 1508, 800 by 800 by 1508, and 900 by 650 by 1508. Its structural form can be divided into various types, such as double drive type, top-mounted triple drive type, and frequency control type, etc.